In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Netspend account. Let's get started. First, head over to the official website of Netspend. Here, click on the option Sign Up Now. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address that you want to link with your Netspend account. Type in that. Then click on Get Started. You'll be directed to this section. Here you will need to fill in these details. Type in your first name, last name, address. Then just choose the look of your card. You will get 3 options. After you choose that, click on Get My Card. Then you will need to provide your phone number and complete the required verification process. When the verification code is sent to your phone, enter the code on the Netspend website and continue. After that, create a username and a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the requirements displayed on the screen and keep your login information secure. Netflix may ask you to verify your identity by providing additional information such as your date of birth and social security number. Enter only your accurate information directly on the official Netspend website. Review the terms and disclosures and select Agree and Continue if you accept them. Netspend will then process your application and let you know whether your account has been successfully created. Once your account is approved, you may see information about your available card options, including virtual or physical card options depending on your eligibility and the current Netspend program. So that's it. This way you can easily create your Netspend account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.